question. This one is straightforward. I will check the information that I need. Actually, I will check the information that I have and what I need. So this, it's what I need. It's an angle, and I got side, angle. If I got side, angle, and I'm looking for the what? For the angle, obvious, I should apply a sine rule. Do you see? And for you to apply a sine rule, you should try to apply x in the diagram, and that x there should link with that information that you need, meaning that I can just do my x like this. These they opposite to each other, and apply another x there. I don't know, maybe your teacher they call it x or they call it cross there. You just apply cross, guys. Do you see this thing? Yeah. So now let's apply our equation, and now I want to show you guys if I can apply this kind of equation. Then for the next question, I'll show you when I get this one. Still there, you'll get one and the same answer. So if I can apply the other equation, guys, it's like this. Our sign there, it is upwards, meaning there is just sine, it is sine. But now, guys, before I substitute there, just know that this side there will be small e, because it is opposite that big E. This one, this side will be small d, because it is opposite that big D. This one, it's a small f. It is opposite that big F. So it means that I'm referring to E there, and the side there should be small e. Coming from here there, I'm referring to big D, which is here it should be small d. I only focusing from my cross there. Do you see my cross? What is pointing? That is what I'm focusing. So now let's substitute now. Here it will just be sine x divided by e, which is 25, and sine, and then for this one it's 36 divided by what? By 19 there. Do you see? And now that's where, guys, the magic day starts. Our magic, guys, is just cross multiply here. Once you do cross multiply, those fraction that they disappear. They will become like this, guys. Those everything now they just disappear like this there. Do you see? Meaning that this will multiply there, that thing it's 19 sine x, then for this one it's 25 sine 36. Do you see? And what is in front from what I need, I divide by it. Oh no, I'm lying. What is in front from what I need for x, guys? What is in front from what I need, I will divide by it, meaning that I will divide by 19 both sides, because here I'm looking for that x there. This is what I will have. Then all of this thing, guys, I will prefer to simplify it with my calculator there. I will reduce all of that thing with my calculator. So let's just reduce all of that thing, guys. The word reducing, guys, it means that you decrease. So it's like this thing that it's big, and then I will decrease it to be small, So the reduce, guys, just to decrease them. So this is what I will have, close divided by 19. So I got many decimals, as you can see, but guys, because I'm not yet done calculating, I will round my answer to 3 decimal place, because I'm not yet done calculating. Do you see this thing? And now what I can do, I can solve that x. That x, guys, it's an angle. It means that you drop the angle, then you apply the rule. The rule says that you will say sine arc and 0.773. Then so straightforward, I can just say now shift sine, then I press all of this thing there, 3. So it means that now this one is my final answer. I'll round it off to 2 decimal place, because now this is my final answer, which is 6,20, like this time. But leave your answer in decrease there. Do you see? Yeah. So that's all, guys, what you were supposed to do for this question. Then what about for the last question? For the last question, guys, even if I can apply this thing or that equation there, it doesn't matter. But I prefer, guys, to apply this equation. But it doesn't matter, guys, because at the end, guys, the moment you do cross multiply, the fraction, they disappear. They become like this. They become like this there. Do you see? So it's you guys who will decide there. It's you who will decide. But just know how to apply what? A sine rule. Okay, let's go ahead then. Here I want to solve this x. That x, guys, it's an angle. And now what I will do there, I will check the information that I have. I got side, angle. Meaning that thing there, it's side, angle. And I'm looking for another angle. Meaning here I can apply a sine rule. And for you to apply sine rule, don't forget, you should do what? You should do a cross there. Where is my pen? Cross like this, guys. This is a cross there. That's a cross. This here, it's a cross. Do you see? And by you doing that cross there, you are linking the information that you need and the one that you are given. And that thing there, it will help you according to your equation, which is now my equation. I can even say that here it's sine, that thing there, it's sine divided by sine divided. So here I'm referring to this angle, which is that angle, it's h. But again, now the side which is opposite h, you will name it as a small h there, like small h. And here I'm referring to that angle I, and the side which is opposite from I, it will be small I there, small I. Do you see? So now let's substitute that in this equation. Here it's 20, 23, and sine x there. Then coming from this one, from this there, our I there, it's 14, which is, say, it's sine 27. Do you see? So check something, guys. This is what I was telling you. When we do our cross multiply, you will notice something, that the fraction, they disappear. Those fractions, they disappear like this. Do you see? So after doing all of that, this is what will happen. This will multiply here like 14 multiplied by sine x, then here 23 multiplied by sine 27. And now what is in front, from what I need, I divide by it. Both sides, it get cancelled, meaning here it's sine x there. So all of this thing there, I can just simplify it using my calculator. All of this thing there, I'll simplify it using my calculator. So when I simplify, guys, I just reduce this thing. Like I decrease it, like I make it small. Let me not use the word reduce, because reduce, guys, you decrease, and now other learners will be confused. How do you decrease that number? Guys, we are not decreasing here, we are simplifying, we are evaluating. Evaluate, it's better to use that word. Let me evaluate all of this thing, meaning now this thing will be 0.746 then. Do you see? And now what I can do, I can drop the angle, then I can apply the rule of 0.746, meaning now I will manage now to get my final answer, which will be shift sine, which is 0.746. This one is my final answer for the question to 2 decimal place, just like this then. Do you see? Yeah. So thank you guys for your time. I hope you did understood this lesson. All the best in your studies. God bless you.